Okay, here is a look at the OMEN gaming desktop. Here's some of the features that this particular desktop offers with the 8GB of memory. Here's the cost, of course. It's got the GeForce GTX in it. And this shell is a nice, clean looking shell with the subtle emblems there on the side. Here's the vents and the ports where air can get into it, but it's got that glow on here. Up here at the top are the ports that are easy to access, your mic port, headphone, and some USB ports, and then the on and off button. There's a vent, and then here is the glass side that shows you what the guts of this thing looks like. So it's a cool looking computer, just at a glance. Here's what the back of it has, and some of the ports that it has here. There's the Ethernet hookup, and some more USBs. There's a solid state or a USB-C hookup, VGA cable. There's your power cord. But yeah, this gives you a close-up look at this OMEN desktop.